Hey guys, let's get back over to where we were when we finished off the last video. And just a quick recap, we had created a transaction using the transaction wizard. And then we added our forms and also our documents into our transaction. So now let's prepare our documents to be shared for assigning. So just like what you would do if we were in dot loops, we would open up the form and contract and type in the information. So the exclusive seller's listing agreement, it will open and it'll look just like you're used to seeing it when we were utilizing dotloop for doing our contracts. And see how it took some of the information and put it in when we were utilizing the wizard at the very start of creating a transaction, and it auto-filled it. I'm not going to talk about how to find this information to fill out a contract. That's a whole different class. So just go through, fill this out like you would fill out any other listing agreement that you are going to have signed by a client. Go down to the bottom, complete your information down here so that it is all correct. So the listing broker, type that in, Keller Williams, Realty, Atlanta Partners. Well, my typing is not always on point, but you guys know what I mean. And you can see I just click and type MLS code, the KWRS02. I can tab and it moves it to each field. So again, just like what you're used to using when we were utilizing the dotloop platform and going through and doing our stuff. So but I'm done. I've went through, I got everything squared up. So now I'm click on save. See this icon here? Click on save and then just save. And those changes have been saved to that form. And I'm going to come down and do exit. And I'll go back and I'll go through this process for each one of my forms that I want to go through and complete information on. Now let's prepare our documents. So I'm just going to do this for the wire fraud form. I'm not going to go through each one of these, but you guys understand that it's the same process no matter what. So I'm going to click on wire fraud to get that to open. And looks like they've changed the form. So I'm really sorry that kind of threw me off there for a minute. So right here, see the little paint thing? It says document markup tool. If you click on that, it opens up a new screen. And this is where you can add your text boxes at. So I'm going to click on text. See how it has a highlight, and I'm going to come down here where it says print and click. See my cursor is there, and home seller was my owner's name. Real clever. Scroll back down, click off of there. Sorry, my mouse is a little sensitive. So you can move that around just like we did before. Then you should be able to stretch that out, just click it, drag it to make it fit. And then we'll click on save for that also, right here in this corner. So save, just so it continues to stay in there and it saves it with the text on the screen. And then we'll close. You sure you want to continue? Yes. So that would be the process for all of your forms and documents. So it's pretty simple, straightforward. If you got any questions, you can reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to help you out.